Okay. Looks like this time is working. I hope. Yes, it's working. I was just kicked off. Like without technical difficulties, it wouldn't be alive. So, hello everyone. Good evening. And some of you know me already. I was here live before, but I will be probably many other times. And today I'm hopping on just for a short live. I wanna share with you my favorite product, and I will tell you why. I will just do that in like a scoop size. I'll try to do that in the quickest possible way because I love this and I could talk about it whole night. So before I start about the product, let me tell you a little bit about myself because it's very connected to my story and this company. I started 9 years ago in January, and I fell in love with like body care products, not exactly skincare. I'm not a makeup person. I wash my face with a shampoo, so that was me, and even the shampoo for babies. So I was like easygoing, but I needed products for my skin, like body products. If you can relate, I was taking off pants with my skin, so everything was peeling off while taking off jeans. I had cracking hands, cracking skin on my hands. And when I realized how good these products are for my skin, for my whole body, it switched to skincare, of course, on my face. And a year later, it switched to the product that I want to talk about today, which is called 30 Days to Healthy Living. This product gave me health on the inside, beautiful skin on the outside, like especially on my legs that are not dry anymore. I learned so much what it is to be healthy, to live a healthy lifestyle, to live the way our body is simply designed. So, and I live it past 8 years now. I love it so much that it took me 2 years to realize how good it is and to fix my body. Took me 2 years to overcome my own thinking and you know over the product and over myself before I started sharing with someone else. But as soon as I started sharing with people, everybody fell in love with this because it is so good. And 6 years later, it got me into the point that I want to know more about healthy living. I want to know more about healthy lifestyle, about healthy, you name it, everything. So I went to school and I study the health, gut health and hormones health. And I finished IAN, if you have any idea what that is, with certification of a health coach with hormones and gut health specification. And that's what's pretty much um, I use doing what I do. I love sharing with people the 30 days to healthy living and helping them to get healthy. So, what it is in a nutshell, in like a scoop size, this program simply will help you get healthy and build your well-being. It's nothing else but giving you your health back, feeling more energized, feeling less bloated, clothing fitting better, feeling focused through the day, like seeing improvement in the look and feel of your skin, hydration, radiance, and overall health. Like I said, I was taking off my pants with my skin. So, honestly speaking, good hydration on the outside helped me a lot. But as soon as I did learn how to eat healthy, drink a lot of water, I stopped peeling off my skin. It was everything so getting better and better. So we are focusing on the 5 areas within that 30 days. And number one, we are supporting our body with a natural function of elimination organs that are simply cleansing your body. So it's using a clean choices, and elimination organs are like kidneys and liver. Those are the main organs for elimination, but also intestines, your heart, your skin. Skin is the largest organ of your whole body, and every single skin is impacting every single part of your body. So with choices that are clean, you are improving what you eat, what you drink, how you sleep, how much stress you are experiencing. And simply by balancing nutrition and supplements, you can support your body ability for really functioning the way it was designed to work. Number two is eliminate food that doesn't serve your body at all. So we are learning what to use, what kind of nutrients along with whole foods and supplements will honestly deliver macronutrients to your body that will fuel your body. It's like protein, fat, carbs. Obviously, we avoid sugar, alcohol, coffee, artificial flavors, colors, sweeteners, and all of that it doesn't support your body at all. Number three is we are avoiding common allergens. So many people experience different discomfort, especially on the belly side while eating gluten, dairy, soy, overall, maybe not only soy, but overall GMOs, products that are GMO, and eliminating, I will call it, okay, temporarily right now from your, daily eating, you will honestly identify where is the problem. You will be able to find, and sometimes we feel hungry, but our body just need a drink of water. And that's a big thing. That was huge for me. Number five is we are choosing your supplements wisely. And I will switch to that a little bit because obviously in these days, if you think you can eat all the veggies you can eat and you think you will get all the vitamins and minerals off of those veggies, you're very, very not supporting your body at all. So with healthy eating, whole foods, we still need supplements. And yes, you are getting some supplements from Arbonne that are going to help you do the 30 days of healthy eating, the 30 days of healthy lifestyle. That is very, very much supporting the whole program. There are vegan, gluten-free, without gluten, including without GMOs ingredients. There are plant-based. And if you just dig in deeper a little bit in the Arbonne ingredients policy, you will realize that we are bending over 2,000 ingredients that are just simply not supporting your body at all. And it doesn't matter if you put it on the skin or you put it in. So how the 30 days work, how to do the 30 days. The first thing is you stay away from the food that is not helping you. And that's probably not many. For some people, it's a lot easier. For some people, it could be harder. It wasn't the easy what I gotta eat. You are getting tons of plan for your plate. So with the 30 days, you're not just buying a box of supplements, but you're also getting tons of recipes and support. You're gonna get connected with someone who is coaching you how to do the 30 days, but you will get connected to tons of recipes. What is the healthy plate? What's supposed to be on it? Obviously, shortly said, I can tell you that it's veggies, lean protein, rich carbs, and carbs are healthy, fats, and you learn what to snack on and what's for your plate as a full size dinner. You are learning how to drink plenty of water. That was very hard for me because coming into 30 days, coming into even Arbonne, I didn't drink water at all. If you can even imagine that's possible. But yes, that was my life. And yes, I wasn't healthy. Yes, I was dry inside and outside. That's why I was peeling off my skin with my pants and learning to to drink plenty of water. But that's a good set that I said eat water because somebody in my coaching group that was is starting tomorrow, the guy just said, what do I eat overnight? And we were just commenting to him, you will eat water if you need to. But that's the thing, you gotta learn how to drink a lot of water and listen to your body. That's the last point while doing the program. So you are getting to understand what is a good activity, what is a good and quality of sleep. How is your mind thinking? Like, are you straight thinking or you are, fogged? You will set some goals for yourself, and with the consultant, whoever is coaching and helping you, will probably help you accomplish that stuff. So what are the products that you're getting with the 30 days? Number one are two pea protein shakes, and that's not just pea protein. We are mixing three different blends of protein, which is pea, cranberry, and brown rice. And with all of the minerals, like vitamins and minerals, it's giving a full amino acid score. And it's no dairy in it. It's vegan, so it's no soy in it as well. And you have a couple flavors to choose from: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, coffee. Yes, that's for those coffee people. It will give you what you need, and you can still avoid coffee for yourself. You're getting two herbal teas that are cleansing your liver and your kidneys, and they are very gently working. There's no extra rush to the bathroom with that product or overall program. You are going to get one box of probiotic and prebiotics inside and digestive enzymes in it. The thing is that we're supposed to be taking those every single day from day one of life to 101 of life. That's something that I learned. And if you want to support your body to be healthy for life, the probiotic and prebiotic and digestive enzymes is something that you can take daily. Doesn't matter if you are in the 30 days or just living healthy lifestyle. You are getting something that is called Energy Fizz, which is a ginseng drink. I love it. That's life. Energy Fizz is like honestly all that I need for the day to feel energized, to be straight mind thinking, to be awake, and to feel the best. And I'm so sorry, somebody was calling me. I had to take it off. I hope I didn't lose the life. Set is customized for you. So there are people coming with different struggles, with different needs, and I had mine when I came. So there are three products away from the products that I just shared. And off of those three products, you pick two. And those two supposed to be chosen with your coach, your consultant, somebody that is helping you, because they will know why they are picked and they will help you make a correct decision. So one is a clean tox, which is cleansing your intestines. So it's helping your gut to be cleansed, but it's delicate. It's very delicate. It's so gentle that you can honestly drink it every single day. Be Well Superfood Greens, that's my favorite, that contains 36 fruits and vegetables in one scoop, guys. Plus, it has all the green that you can imagine that it's cleansing your body, like spirulina. But that's not the only one that it's in there. And gut health prebiotic fiber. So fiber is something that it's everybody's supposed to start on it, but start slowly. I am so sorry. That person is calling me again. I have to message her that I will call her back because I am with you guys on live. So pretty much I am almost done. And if there's anything that you would love to ask, like additionally, what I shared, if you would love to know with whatever you're coming with your health and your body, if it's going to help you, ask the person who invited you to this group. If you want to know how much that is for you, because every single country like UK, US, Canada, Australia, or anywhere else you might be in will be a different cost. That's why I don't want to talk about pricing. But check with the person who invited you if this is gonna bring you to your goal. So like physical changes that you wanna see, or mood and mindset changes that you wanna see, like if it's gonna help you with the food behaviors like it did for me, sleep and energy. Who is lacking energy, guys? That's a place to go, the 30 days to healthy lifestyle. Activity, if you are any kind of active person, if you are not, that could be very helpful for you to try with this 30 days. And at the end, I just want to remind you about one thing that Arban is giving you a chance for. It's a 90 days money guarantee for the 30 days to healthy living program. So just if you can recall, 90 days for 30 days. It's a 90 days guarantee for a 30 days program. It's silly because we know it works. And all of the certification we have, and we are very proud to have, are on the supplements that you are getting from Arban, which are kosher, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, IG lab tested, halal, and like all of Arban, it's a B Corp certified program and the whole company. So any questions, shoot them to the person who invited you to this live. I hope it was helpful, and see you next time.